Modern applications are leveraging container technology for increasing portability, scalability, and agility. Kubernetes is an open-source system for automating deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications, and it has quickly risen in popularity to become the leading container orchestrator. However, building and operationalizing an enterprise-grade Kubernetes service is a big challenge. Container orchestrators are still maturing when it comes to areas such as security, networking, multi-tenancy, and persistence. Complementary tools to reliably deploy, maintain, scale, monitor, and self-heal the underlying infrastructure are also lagging. To address these challenges, VMware and Pivotal, in collaboration with Google Cloud, introduced VMware PKS. VMware PKS is a purpose-built container solution to operationalize Kubernetes for enterprises and service providers. It includes a fully supported Kubernetes distribution designed for vSphere environments, constant compatibility with Google Container Engine to deliver the latest Kubernetes features, integration with Google Cloud Platform Services through GCP Service Broker, deep integration with NSX for container networking, load balancing, and security, full lifecycle management and operations of Kubernetes clusters using BOSH, and a private container registry with enterprise-grade management and security features. Using VMware PKS, IT admins can quickly provision and scale multiple Kubernetes clusters for developers to deploy their containerized apps, and whether for a patch or a feature update, VMware PKS makes sure all the upgrades get done without interrupting the business. In addition, it provides critical production capabilities, such as high availability, auto-scaling, health check, and self-healing. VMware PKS always runs with the latest version of Kubernetes, ensuring developers have all the latest features to use, and the security vulnerabilities are quickly patched. With multi-tenancy and advanced container networking, as well as an enterprise container registry with role-based access control, Active Directory or LDAP integration service, vulnerability scanning and image signing, PKS greatly enhances the security of your container workloads. VMware PKS also comes out of the box with integrations with existing VMware products, such as vRealize Operations, Wavefront by VMware, and vRealize Log Insight to form a comprehensive solution from development to operations. Behind the product are VMware's world-class professional services and support teams. You now have a trusted partner always on your side to make sure your container workloads run at the highest level of efficiency and availability. Learn more about VMware PKS. Visit the product page or call your VMware representative today.